Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Daily Downshift. My name's Nestor and today we're going to be doing some Dragy 0 to 60 times with the BMW M2 G87. And there she is looking nice and pretty. It's super sunny today and honestly, these are not ideal conditions because there's like a massive fire in Canada and all the smog and smoke is coming through. So this car is not going to be breathing as well as on a typical day, but still, conditions are very nice and I think I could get some really good times with this. Now, I'm not exactly sure what the rated 0 to 60 time is of this car. I think with the ZF auto transmission, it's about 3.9 seconds. And then with manual, it's a little bit slower, maybe 4.1 seconds. This is my very first time owning a manual car, guys. I have about 3,000 kilometers on it. So I'm not an absolute expert, but I'm really comfortable with the manual now. And I think I can launch it pretty damn well. So I'll show you guys all the setup, the steps to take to launch this car, and we'll just kind of do a bunch of launches and see how fast we can take this thing 0 to 60. All right guys, so we're inside the car now and I'm going to show you what to do if you want to launch this car. Very first thing you have to do is go ahead and tap this right here. This is a traction off button. Tap it once and you're going to get this menu that pops up right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm sorry if it's difficult to see, but you have DSC on, MDM, or DSC off. You want to go ahead and tap MDM. That's going to actually let you launch the vehicle. Now, once that's done, you want to go to your setup and configure this however you would like. Now, personally, I have my M1 button set up, so I'm just going to tap that. And as you can see, it changes the values for a lot of things. The only thing I'm going to adjust, because we are on a decent road here, is I'm going to put the chassis into sport instead of comfort. And one more thing that I like to do is I go to M mode. And then as you can see, you have road, sport, or track come up. The only reason why I click track and activate track, and obviously this screen turns off, but all you have to do to get it back is just tap the button once again. It comes back. As you guys can see, all driver assistance systems will be deactivated, including lane departure warning and brake assist, or whatever it's called when there's a collision about to happen. Now, it's important to turn those two things off because let's say you're basically launching in the middle of two lanes, right? Let's say you're in the median. Your car is gonna like try pulling you to one side or the other potentially while you're launching. I don't want any of that happening, and I do not want, if a squirrel crosses the road, I don't want my car braking automatically for me. All those driver assistance features are off in track mode, and obviously I do not lose this screen because all I did was tap the button and it's back. So now that we're in track mode, we have the car configured how we want it, and we're in MDM mode, we are ready to launch the car. All right, here we go. .49, 4.49, not ideal. Looks like we got 4.43. So we're getting it down slowly but surely, but it's not moving fast enough. We need the times to start getting cut by like 1/10, and that's not happening. Alrighty, let's do it again. .4 seconds again. Wow, 4.49. Yeah, I can't seem to get under that right now. But I will say this though, I am spinning basically every single time. Like, you guys can definitely hear it in the video. All I'm doing is spinning. Probably that first like half of in first gear, the first half of it, I'm just spinning all the way up to like maybe 4,500 RPM. Actually, we got a slightly better time there. All right, guys, whenever in doubt, bust out the manual. I found launch control in the glossary, page 122. Let's see what it says here. Sufficiently high starting torque to launch control is active. Disengage the clutch quickly. Within approximately 6 seconds, the vehicle accelerates. Disengage the clutch quickly. Does that mean dump, or does that mean gradually quickly get off of it? You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna continue dumping the clutch and hope that our times increase. Not good. We got a 4.76. Wow. We're getting some pretty bad times here, guys. This road seems better. I feel like we're gonna do a little bit better here. Come on. .4, man. Literally cannot be 4.4, guys. I guess I'm just like, I guess I'm not shifting fast enough, maybe? I don't know. Damn, I can't see myself being like 0.3 quicker shifting though. That just kind of seems wild. Alright guys, that is gonna do it for me, man. I quit. I threw the towel in. I've been trying all evening and this car is just not getting any faster. I don't know. I mean, it's probably not the car, it's probably me. But yeah, I don't know. I've tried a couple different things. I firmed up the suspension. I let it on comfort. I tried just basically dumping the clutch during the launch. I've tried, you know, gradually letting off the clutch, and then the tires have definitely warmed up too. They're at about 33 degrees Celsius, which is pretty warm. Now, the only thing that I could say that's probably like car-wise holding me back is maybe the PSI is just too high, which could be a thing, right? I was spinning on basically every single one of my launches. It kind of felt like every time I dumped the clutch, the car would go and then go, like it would spin like 3-4 consecutive times and then finally hook and then take off. Let me know in the comments if you guys have a manual M2. What type of times are you guys putting down? Even for my F87 friends, I'm super curious what you guys could put down 0 to 60 if you guys have a Dragy. Definitely let me know. Now, there is this one product that I'm really interested in. It's called the short shifter kit, and they do make it for the G87 already, and so I'd be super curious to kind of find out if that, you know, helps with shift speed and whatnot. So maybe I'll buy that and do an install on it. That'd be pretty interesting, I think. All right guys, but that is gonna do it for the video. Like I said, I was getting consistent times across the board all evening long, from 4.4 to 4.5 seconds. I just couldn't break that 4.4 number for whatever reason. Maybe we need a driver mod. That's maybe what's needed here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe for more content on the G87. Next video you guys are going to see are the KW Hasket getting installed, and I will see you guys in that video. Take care, be safe, peace.